Welcome to Indie Asa Japan. What comes to mind when you think of Japanese food? Sushi, tempura, ramen. But how about Japanese sweets? Hi, I'm Masami. I have over 10 years experience as a pastry chef in Japan and France. I have also visited over 40 countries and learned about local sweets and desserts in every country I visited. It inspired me very much, and I started thinking that I want to share my knowledge of amazing Japanese desserts with people all over the world. Have you ever heard about Japanese cotton cheesecake? When I was living in Dubai, many friends asked me, "Do you know how to make Japanese cotton cheesecake?" Actually, I didn't know that the cotton cheesecake is a specialty of the Japanese. I thought it was just one of many kinds of cheesecake. Japanese cotton cheesecake is very different from the regular cheesecake. It offers the same iconic sweet and tangy flavor of cheesecake with a soft, light and airy, melt-in-your-mouth texture. The big difference between a regular cheesecake and Japanese cotton cheesecake is the addition of the meringue, so the cake becomes airy and fluffy. It looks simple, but I realized it is not after I tried baking it a couple times and failed many times. For this course, I'm going to show you not only the recipe but also the reasons why we fail, the solution, and helpful tips. Unlike when you just watch the average cooking video, you can ask me anytime from my Q&A page in the course. Also, I'm going to introduce a new trendy Japanese cheesecake, which is Japanese cheese tart. Japanese cheese tarts have been getting popular here over the last 5 years. Cheese tart shops have been increasing everywhere, not only in Japan, but also in other parts of Asia. It's crispy sweet crust filled with fluffy rich cheese cream. This is originally made from Japanese cheese, but after redoing the recipe over 10 times to find an original blend, I succeeded in the version which you can make with ingredients outside of Japan. I will explain every single step and give you all the tips, so let's enjoy baking together. So, if you are interested in Japanese cuisine, want to add a new and delicious dessert to your collection, or just want to impress your guest or the next dinner party, this class is for you. Are you ready for exploring the world of Japanese sweets and desserts? Let's get started!